Hello everyone. Today we are learning subject science standard 7 chapter number 4 nutrition in living organism. In our previous lecture we learned about the nutrition in plants. The second topic is the nutrition in animals. So let's get started. What is meant by nutrition in animals? This concept refers to the body's need for nutrients, mode of ingesting food and its use in the body. So, can anybody tell which are the various nutrition in food? For what purpose are the nutrients used? The nutrients necessary for various activities of the body are obtained from food. They are supplied to the various parts of body through blood. The food that we consume does not mix with blood as it is. It needs to convert into soluble forms that can easily mix in blood. Nutrients in animals involve various steps from ingestion to egestion. There are many steps of nutrition. The first step is ingestion. The food is taken into the body is called as an ingestion. The second one is digestion. The conversion of food into simple soluble forms is called as an digestion. The third one is absorption. The transfer of soluble food to the blood is called absorption. Next is assimilation. Utilization of absorbed food by cells and tissues for energy production, growth and repair is called assimilation. And last is ingestion. The removal of waste product and undigested food from body is called as ingestion. They are the 5 steps of nutrition. Next we see types of nutrients in animals. The first is holozoic nutrition. Can you tell how does ingestion occurs in unicellular animals like amoeba? Amoeba does not have organs like hands and mouth. It is a unicellular animal, means only one cell have. It can take in food through any part of the surface of its unicellular body. It surrounds the food particles from all sides to take it into the cell. After that, it digests the food with the help of different enzymes. Undigested food is left behind as the amoeba moves further with the help of pseudopodia. In unicellular animals like amoeba, paramecium, all the step of nutrition occurs within their unicellular body. Insects have mouth part for ingestion of food. For example, insects like the cockroach and the grasshopper, which nibble, have jaw-like mouth parts. Butterflies suck food with a tube-like proboscis. Mosquitoes and bedbugs use a needle-like mouth part to press and tube-like mouth part to suck blood of other fluids. This is called as holozoic nutrition as shown in figure. Example is amoeba. According to the type of food, animals can be classified as herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, scavengers and decomposer. First of all, we see number first is herbivorous animals. Herbivorous means what? The herbivores used plant directly as their food. Examples are grazing animals, granivores, seed eaters, frugivores, fruit eaters. Example is cow, elephant, goat, deer, and grasshopper as shown in figure. So next one we learn about the carnivores. The animals that depends on other animals for their food are carnivorous. Carnivorous are indirectly depends on plants for food. Examples are animals that feed on herbivores, animals predators, animals that feed on insect that is insectivores like lion, tiger. Next one is omnivorous animals. The animals that obtain their food from both plants and animals are called as omnivorous. Examples are monkey, chimpanzees and humans. They all eat plants and also animals. Some of the organisms around us perform the functions of cleaning and conserving the environment by the very act of feeding themselves. They are called scavengers and decomposers. Number next we see the scavengers. The scavengers obtain their food from dead bodies of animals. For examples, vultures, crow, as shown in figure. Next and the last is decomposers. The decomposers are some microbes which obtain their food by decomposing the dead bodies of organisms or other materials like snail, slug, earthworm, mite as shown in figure. The next one is saprozoic nutrition. Some insects, unicellular animals obtain the nutrients by absorbing the liquid organic material from the dead bodies of other animals or from the environment. This is saprozoic nutrition. Example, ants and spider. Saprophytic nutrition, it is the mode of nutrition where the organism derives its nutrition from dead and decaying matter. Saprozoic nutrition of an animal by absorption of dissolved salt and simple organic nutrients from surrounding mediums. Last is parasitic nutrition. Have you seen small animals on the bodies of animals like dogs and buffaloes? Which are those small animals? From where do these little animals obtain their food? From where do the worms in the intestine obtain their food? Can anybody tell? So, the parasitic nutrition is a mode of heterotrophic nutrition, whereas an organism lives on the body surface or inside the body of another type of organism. The parasite obtained the nutrition directly from the body of the host. The parasitic derived their nutrition from the host. Example is mosquitoes. Some animals live on the body surface of other animals for food. They can obtain the food only for animals on whom they are dependent. Some animals live on the body of the other animals, obtain their food from sucking their blood. This is called ectoparasitic nutrition, and such animals are called as ectoparasites. For examples, bedbug, mosquitoes. Animals like tapeworm, roundworms, lives inside the body of other animals and obtain their food. This endoparasitic nutrition and these animals are known as parasitic nutrition. I hope you all will understand. Thank you.